how to hide mutual friends on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to maintain your privacy by hiding your mutual friends list? Then you are in the right place. Let's dive right in. So, what you need to do is you will need to head over to your Facebook app first and just open it. Go to the three lines in the top left and then go to settings and privacy. Just tap on it, go to settings, and now you'll need to scroll down and under audience and visibility, tap on how people can find and contact you. There you can see who can see your friend list. Just tap on it and you can set it to only me or specific friends. So this is how it works. Uh, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.